I got here, huh? Huh? You want to do some bird introduction? Do you? Huh? Let's go to the front yard where we always do it with our puppies. Huh? Gidget. Oh, atta girl, look at you. Oh, yeah. A little different there, huh? Where you going with it? Oh my gosh. Yo, shithead. Oh, I gotta go cut her off. Oh, sweetie, good girl. Come on. Come on. Come on, come by daddy. Come here. Come here, come by daddy. Come here. You're so happy. You're so proud. Come here. Come on. Come here. Gidget. Gidget, come. Gidget. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come on. Oh, you want to take it up to the house? Yeah, you're going to take it up to the house. Good girl. Good job. Okay, Gib. Good girl. Good girl. So we know you're not afraid of him now, right? Huh? Gidget. Good job, girl. How's that for an introduction? That's a good introduction. Yeah.